Introducing Faber's built-in refrigerator that relishes the beholder with tales of your rich and superior taste. This beautiful beast allows 200 liters of the fridge and 56 liters of freezing solution. Equipped with 360-degree airflow technology, it guarantees uniform refrigeration. Its moisture balance and cyclic defrost technology will inspire you to stuff your fridge with colorful provisions, as they always appear crystal clear and fresh. Going out for a leisurely getaway? Just turn on the vacation mode and come home to immaculately preserved food items ready for consumption. With a thoughtful bottom freeze technology, its touch control permits simple yet effective operation. Its intelligent use of naturally produced refrigerant R600 results in zero greenhouse effect and consumes 25% less energy. Why wait? Order now our more than eco-friendly built-in refrigerator.